In Ode to the West Wind by Percy Bysshe Shelley, the speaker addresses the powerful west wind, admiring its dual role as both a destroyer and a preserver in nature. The wind sweeps away dead leaves, scatters seeds for future growth, stirs up storms, and moves the waves of the sea. The speaker reflects on the wind's immense force and its ability to bring change, both in nature and its spirit. As the poem progresses, the speaker yearns to be as free and powerful as the wind, wishing it could carry their thoughts and words across the world. The speaker hopes that, like the wind scatters seeds, their ideas will inspire renewal and transformation in humanity. The poem ends with a hopeful note, as the speaker asks the wind to spread their message and believes that even in the darkest times, renewal and rebirth will come. Captured in famous line, "If winter comes, can spring be far behind?" Shelley's Ode to the West Wind reflects on nature's power and its connection to the human life. The West symbolizes destruction and renewal, emphasizing life cycles and the inevitability of change. The poem encourages resilience and hope, viewing change as essential for personal growth and transformation. In Ode to the West Wind, Shelley personifies the wind as a powerful force symbolizing both destruction and renewal. The autumn leaves represent decay, the spread of sin signify rebirth. The wind drives away decay, stirs storms, and influences nature, highlighting its transformative power. Though the wind brings death, the sea offers peace. The poem ends with hope, emphasizing life's cyclical nature. The coming of winter signals that spring and renewal are approaching.